Looking for a second home in Lonavala? Nothing better than Tungarli. We can help you with this exclusive 5-bedroom hall kitchen, fully furnished villa. It's an independent structure. As you enter, first and foremost on the back side, let me show you a nice lovely swimming pool. This is your car parking space in the entrance of the villa. You can park your car. Starting with the living area, as you enter, you see the nice, lovely, huge living and dining setup over here. You have the open kitchen as well. As you can see, the floor to ceiling height is very nice. Plus, you have the powder room on this side. And next to the powder room, you have a lift. Because it's a G+2 structure, the owner has given this lift very thoughtfully, very nicely done. Starting with the first bedroom, you have a first bedroom over here. You have the washroom attached to it. Now let's have a look at the first floor, wherein we'll see the 2 bedrooms. On the first floor, you have a nice sitting area over here. This area is open to sky. You can see amazing, beautiful view. Nicely done. There also, this side also, you have the sitting area over here. Now let's start with the second bedroom, one by one. Here also you have the washroom attached to it, and plus you have a nice small balcony as well. As you can see, very nicely done up. In the balcony also, two people can easily sit. This is the washroom over here. Let's have a look on the opposite side. You have another bedroom. This bedroom also has the washroom attached to it. Here also in the bedroom also you have enough leg space and the floor to ceiling height is very nice. Let's move to the second floor now. Now we are on the second floor. You have 2 bedrooms, one on the left, one on the right. Let's start one by one with the right hand side. Here also you have the balcony. You have the washroom attached to it. Enough leg space in the room. You see the slope has been there because in the rains, so water doesn't get accumulated. Let's have a look at the second bedroom over here. This is the 5th bedroom of this flat. This also has the washroom attached to it. Enough leg space. You have the wardrobes over there. Now let's have a look at the terrace. This is the terrace, but let me tell you, the lift is coming till the terrace. So in case if you have any senior citizens in your place, this is aptly done by the developer, taking small things into consideration. You have a huge terrace. You can have a small party over here. The view outside is very nice. You don't have any obstacles over here. Once again, we repeat, we are in Tungarli. It's an independent 5-bedroom hall kitchen, furnished villa. For pricing and other details, please see the description box. Kalpesh Thakker from jishnurealtorss.